Hey guys, so today I'm here with a lip smacking recipe for all you chicken lovers. Chicken is considered to be the best source of protein, and if slow cooked on a very light flame with all the right ingredients, it simply tastes heavenly. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. There are two secret ingredients to this recipe that makes this chicken curry stand out from every other chicken curry you've had so far. One of those secret ingredients is barista. Deep fried onions not only enhance the flavor of the dish but also works wonders to its texture. This is the secret to a thick chicken gravy. What's the other secret? Wait for it. To make barista, you need to heat about 2 cups of vegetable oil in a deep pan. Don't worry, we're not going to use all that oil to make the chicken curry. At the moment, we're just preparing the barista. Once the oil is sufficiently hot, gently add very thinly sliced 3 medium-sized onions. It's important that the onions are sliced very thin or else your barista would take time to crisp. All you need to do now is wait for the onions to crisp. Just make sure you stir it once in a while. Alright, so our barista is almost ready. This is the time to scoop them out of the oil. Remember, do not wait for the onions to turn brown in the oil. Take them out while they're still golden brown, as they will continue to cook even after you take them out of the oil. Now that our barista is ready, scoop out all the excess oil from the pan, leaving just about 3 tablespoons of oil. To this, add the whole spices and roast them for about 30 seconds. Do not worry, the list of ingredients is mentioned in the description. Do not keep the whole spices roasting for long as they will burn very quickly. Now add 2 large thinly sliced onions and stir them well. Add about 2 inches of ginger finely chopped, 12 to 15 cloves of finely chopped garlic, and 4 to 5 green chili finely chopped. Now comes the most important part of this recipe, waiting. What I mean is, we need to roast the onion well. I'm not talking about waiting for them to become translucent. On a medium to low flame, roast the onion for about 20 to 25 minutes or until they are roasted well. In between, you may add a little salt to help the onions sweat well. Okay, it's been well over 25 minutes now that the onion's been cooking. Time to add the grounded spices. We need 2 tablespoons Kashmiri chili or Bedgi chili or any other variety that adds that red tint to your curry. 1 tablespoon red chili to make your curry actually spicy. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder. 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 tablespoon garam masala powder. And lastly 2 tablespoon chicken masala. This could be of any brand. Mix everything and let it roast on a low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. The rule when you add grounded spices is that you keep the flame on its lowest possible setting or else you could end up burning the spices, which is something you need to absolutely avoid. So on a low flame, roast the spices for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you find the roast a little dry, you can add maybe about half a cup of water to hydrate it a little. But make sure you don't add any more than that. We want to roast the spices, not boil them. You know the spices have roasted well when you see oil separating on the sides. Now that the spices have roasted well, it's time to add water. Add about 5 cups of water and bring it to a boil. At this point, switch to high flame. Finally, after all that prep, it's now time to add our main ingredient. Here I have 1 kg chicken. Make sure it's all cleaned up properly. In my advice, rinse it well with salt water a couple of times before you add it into your gravy. Also, drop the pieces gently into the gravy unless you want your kitchen to look like a battlefield. Give it a good stir and let it cook on a low flame for about 25 to 30 minutes. This is the right time to add salt as required. Now is the time to add our first secret ingredient, Barista. Like I mentioned earlier, this will make the gravy thick and flavorful. Sprinkle 2 sprigs of fresh curry leaves. Stir them well and let it cook on a slow flame with the lid on it. Our gravy has been simmering on low flame for about 20 minutes now. It's time to add our second secret ingredient, Kasuri Methi. Just crush a little amount of Kasuri Methi between your palms and drop them in the gravy. Mix them well and simmer for another 2 minutes. There you go. That's how you make absolutely lip-smacking chicken curry. If you like this recipe, please like the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to be notified every time we upload a new recipe. Take care. God bless.